the Queen Cobra Paracord Bracelet or the Gorilla Knot. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by Sean from Board Paracord, so thank you Sean for this awesome paracord project. So here it is, the Queen Cobra Paracord, and here we have the King Cobra Paracord bracelet. Enjoy the video. So for today's project we're gonna use this silver or light gray and this orange paracord. The length and dimension of this paracord are down below in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. Also, if you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord King Cobra bracelet, you have the full tutorial in the top right corner of this video. So we're gonna take the paracord buckle and we're gonna insert the cords, but before that we're gonna split these cords in half. So I'm gonna take the ends of this silver or white gray and pull it all the way. So now here we have two separate parts of joint cords, and here we're gonna take this end and we're gonna insert it into the buckle. And by doing this I choose my outer color will be this light gray and the orange will be the inner color of today's project. Now we're gonna take the second set of a color and we're gonna do the same. The orange will be inner and the light gray will be the outer color. So let me just pull this a bit on the side. So here we are, we have the gray on the side and the orange in the middle. Now we're gonna just pull the cords onto the other side of a bracelet and then we're gonna measure the wrists and continue. So now when you measure your wrist, always leave a slack. I usually do by insert the finger between the buckle and the wrist, so here it's enough. So you can use the jig for this project or not, it's all up to you. I will do without the jig today. So here we're gonna take the left strand, left sets of a cord and the right sets of a cord. So now from here we're gonna take and make this gray on top of the orange like so, and we're gonna make it on top of those 4 bracelet core strands, and then on top of this left cord strands and around to the back and through the loop on the left side. So this is the simply basic Cobra knot, but you need to pay attention that the gray or light gray silver cord will be on top of the orange cord. I'm gonna show you in a second. So pull everything up, tight it, lock the bracelet and proceed. So now after we recheck our bracelet length and made the adjustments, we're gonna continue with the weave. So we're gonna take the right strand weave that headings downwards. This is the leading one, and we're gonna make it on top of those 4 cords here, and the way that gray will be on top of the orange one again, and with the left strand on top of those 2 strands from the right side to the back, and from the back So here we reach the end of today's project almost. We are left just with one knot, and then we're gonna cut it off, cinch it and finish it. So once more, the weave, the gray one is on top of the orange and to the side. Now this right strand cords on top of the left ones, around and from the back to the loop on the left side. And now pull it to make it tight. So we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until then, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.